Hey you guys, I am in my car. I am on the way to get a much needed facial. I have not had a facial since COVID started, since they started the lockdown, and my face has really been breaking out. I have a lot of dark marks on my skin, on my face. When I get bumps, I don't bust them, but they still leave a dark mark behind. So hopefully by me getting facials again, like getting back into the routine of getting facials, my skin will start clearing back up. I'm going to go by probably Best Buy, because I said in my other video, my son broke my camera. Well, he broke my lens, and I think what happened, he dropped it and he just didn't tell me. So on the lens, the part where it connects to the camera, it's like broken. You can see where it's broken off. So I'm gonna go and see if it's cheaper to just get the lens, or if it's cheaper to just buy another camera. I'm really upset about that, but I'm not gonna stress it, because what can I do? What's done is done, right? I guess. I don't have anything else on my agenda for today. After this facial, like I said, I'm gonna go in Best Buy, and I'm gonna go in Target because I gotta pick up a few things out of Target, and then go back home. I have a package from Fashion Nova, so I have a try-on haul coming. What was that? My damn lens. Oh. Pick it up. So yeah, that's about it for now. So I will come back after my facial. So I'm back from my facial. Try to give you a close up. You can see I'm still like what a red marks from where she did the extractions. I love getting a facial, but I swear the extraction, that is the worst part of the facial. It hurts so bad. But I know I needed it because I hadn't had a facial in months. So now I'm going to start back getting them more on a regular basis, since I know they're open. And they take a lot of precautions, like they make sure you sanitize your hands when you first come in. You have to sign this waiver saying that you haven't been in contact with anybody or been exposed to COVID, like a bunch of little questionnaires and stuff they do. And when you're in the room, getting your actual facial, the person doing the facial, she wears a mask, but of course you don't, because they have to work on your face. But when I went in there was nobody in the waiting room, so I don't know if they have like just you come in when it's your appointment time or whatever, but it all worked out. So yeah, I got a bunch of dark marks from where I had breakouts. And I don't bust my bumps. I just let them break on their own, bust on their own. Can't even talk. But there's one right there. She had to pop that one. My face has calmed down a lot because it was a lot redder earlier. So yeah. Hey guys, it is Saturday and today is the 22nd. I am on my way to go get my hair braided. Me and the girl kept going back and forth on when I could come in, but she just called me about an hour ago. and asked if I could come in at 12:30. So I'm on my way there now. I am getting the knotless braids. Normally when I get my hair braided, I get the Senegalese twist, but I wanted to try the knotless braids. I haven't had those before. So yeah, I'll come back after I get my hair braided. Well, I gotta figure out how to work this phone. These are the braids I got. They were supposed to be knotless braids, or that's what I told the girl I wanted. But these are the braids that she ended up doing. But I like them. They look really good. They're really small. And they fall at a good length. What's up, guys? It is Monday. What's today's date? I can't even see what today's date is. But I am on my way to go and get my lashes done. As you can see, I really have no lashes. Like, you can't tell anything. So I'm going to get my lashes done. I think I'm going to go and get my nails done afterwards. I'm not sure. Like, I don't have any nails on. These are just my nails. But 2 of my nails on this finger, they crack really bad. Like, I don't know if you can, I can't even put it in the camera right. It cracked all the way down there, and then this nail did the same thing. Cracked all the way down there or split. So I don't even know what they can do at the nail shop. I know they can cut it, but it's still going to be a part of the part where it's split that's still going to be on there until it grows out. But we'll figure it out. I'm pretty sure they know what to do. So yeah, I'll come back after I'm done with my lashes. Hey guys, today is Tuesday, 25th of August. I didn't come back yesterday after I got my lashes done, so I wanted to give y'all a close-up. I told her I wanted them very natural looking. I love them. I think they look so good. Those are my lashes. Oh, and a close-up of my hair because I got my hair braided on Saturday. Right now, I just have them in a ponytail. A raggedy-looking ponytail. I had it braided up. But I have 6, 13, 27, and she said this is 33, but I don't think this is 33. I thought 33 was more red looking, and this looks like purplish. But she said that's 33. But as you know, I only have the mohawk, and it took her... Okay, I got there. She told me to be there at 12:30. I got there at 12:30. When I got there, she was working with another lady, helping her finish another little girl hair. And so when I came in, she told me to have a seat. But then she was like, I need to go run and get something to eat. And I was like, wow, it seemed like she would have went and got something to eat before I came, but whatever. So she went and got something to eat, and she came back. So she probably started on my hair about 1. She did most of it, and then she told me another girl was coming in too. She was like, she had a girl coming in that was just getting 2 braids. And I was like, I'm not trying to be here all day. And she was like, it's just 2 braids. It'll be real quick or whatever. So when the girl came in for her 2 braids, she stopped doing my hair and did the girl 2 braids. And she finally finished my head. I think I left about 5:30. So what, took her like 4 hours? Yeah, it probably took her about 4 hours. I do like the braids. As I said, I was supposed to have had knotless braids. When I was communicating with her through text, I told her I wanted knotless braids. But when I got there, she started braiding my hair. And by the time I asked her, like, wait a minute, you're doing knotless braids, right? She was like, no, I thought you said you wanted box braids. And I was like, no, I didn't say that. I said I wanted the knotless braids. But she had already done like most of the back part. So I was like, just go ahead with it. We'll just work with it. But I do like them. I like the braids a lot. But I wanted the knotless braids because you know how they grip real tight at the roots. I wanted the knotless braids because the braid would not have attached right there. It would have been my hair and then the hair added in. Because my hair is really fine. So if the braids are too tight, then they can pull my hair out. But for right now, I like them. I really like them. Like I said, they're a good length. They fall down to here. I like them. I've gotten a lot of compliments on them so far. So yeah, we're good with these. So I just wanted to come on and show you this. Oh, I did go and get my nails fixed today. I was so impatient that I ended up cutting my own nail. And when I got to the nail shop, the guy was actually able to fix the nail. So I really didn't have to cut it off. But, I mean, he fixed it, like on that one. I don't know if you can see over here on the side. And he fixed this one. Lord, trying to figure out how to work this phone. I'm gonna have to just get me another camera. But he fixed them, so I don't know for how long, but he just filed them all down to be like the same length, except the ones that broke. And then this hand still stayed a little bit longer because none of the nails broke on this hand or split. So these still look the same, but he reshaped them and stuff. I didn't get any, well, he just put a clear coat on top. I didn't get gel or anything like that. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on real quick and give y'all a quick update. Tomorrow is Wednesday. I don't know if I have anything planned. For right now, I don't have anything planned for tomorrow, but oh, I have to do a haul because what day was it? Sunday? Yeah, Sunday, me and my boyfriend went to Marshall's and I picked up a few things. And if you did not know, Marshall's is my absolute favorite store. I love that store. So we went in there and I picked up a few things. So I'm going to do a haul on that. I might do that tomorrow. Yeah. But that's it for today. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Just realized I did not do an outro for my vlog. This is my first vlog. I will get better at it, I promise. Like, I know this one, it may not have been like the best quality. Again, I'm still trying to work with my phone, but I think I'm gonna just have to break down and buy another camera. So my next vlog will be better. But I thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.